since I have vlogged. But anyway, let's just have a great time. It is cold out here. I'm just wearing this hoodie though, and this is kind of just like a little update. So I am still vlogging. I am fine. I am gonna if it's not dark when I get back, I'm going somewhere. But if it's not dark when I get back, I will try to do a vlog. But I'm gonna get a vlog definitely tomorrow, because I don't think I'm doing anything tomorrow. So let's set the camera up. Here's some shots. I'm gonna do something so my vlog isn't boring. But yeah, so that's what's going on. I got a new bike for Christmas. It's up at my aunt's, and so yeah. And anyway, so yeah, and I'll bring that down. I'm charging a drone that I got, and I'll get some shots with you on that. And I got a GoPro, so yeah, I'm getting more into vlogging. I got a laptop so I can edit, and yeah, let's just get into this vlog, shall we? Let's just go. Okay, so anyway, I know this is going to be a short vlog, and I usually do pretty long vlogs, except for my slow motion ones and stuff. So anyway, I'm going to start vlogging on my GoPro as soon as I get my computer fixed, because I need to update it so it's up to date. And don't forget to smash that like button down below and turn on notifications so every time I do a new video, you get notified. And please click a thumbs up for this video. Don't forget, and after this vlog, go over to Tanner Fox and just subscribe to him. He's an awesome YouTuber. And see you next time.